Often the very first trading strategy used by many beginning traders is usually some variety of moving average cross. Learning to create these on MT4 will be a vital part of your trading experience, and this method often helps to confirm important trading decisions. If you haven't reviewed the previous video on moving averages, please go back and take a look. This same moving average that we created earlier can be duplicated and modified on the same chart. For example, let's open a Kiwi 1-hour chart. Click on the indicators list and select Moving Average. If you don't see this here, click on Trend and select Moving Average. For period, type in 34 and select Exponential for the MA method, and select blue for the color. Click OK. Now let's do it again. Open a new moving average, but this time for period, type 8. Select Exponential for the MA method, and select black as the color. Click OK. The premise for this configuration as a beginning strategy is to sell when the 8-period EMA crosses the 34-period EMA to the downside and buy on the opposite cross. In every case here, this worked technically. We will look at this strategy in more detail along with risk management in our education series. Let's say you were demo trading this strategy and you felt that you wanted it to be a bit more conservative with your signals. You can easily change the parameters of each or any line by hovering over the line until this description box appears. Right-click and a pop-up box appears and select MA Properties. For example, let's change the 34-period EMA to a 50-period EMA so the line reacts more slowly. You can see the result is definitely different with only 5 intersections this time, eliminating those high-risk, low-volatility movements. Let's say we wanted to add a reference line like the 200-day simple moving average. Open the moving average dialog box, select 200 period, SMA, and color it brown. Under Visualizations, untick all timeframes and select Daily. Click OK. Nothing happened. Change the chart to the daily time frame, D1, and there you have it. A reference 200-day simple moving average that only appears on your daily chart. If you like this arrangement, simply save it as a template, as we described in video 3. All indicators can be saved into templates. Let's call this one 3 moving averages. Let's see if it worked by opening a Euro-Pound chart, for example. Select Template and find 3 moving averages. The daily chart opens, showing us exactly what we had saved. Change this to the 4-hour time frame and the 200-period SMA disappears as planned. To review, in this lesson we covered setting up 2 exponential moving averages, a simple strategy of moving average crosses, adjusting moving averages, and saving the setup to a template. In the next lesson, we will look at Bollinger Bands.